Hello and welcome everybody. BCAN stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's start. 0 Fibonacci level here and 1 Fibonacci level. This is going to be the spike, first spike. BCAN second spike would be here, so it's going to be higher from it by 2 USD. That what is actually going to be. So if we notice it clearly, that is going to be the difference between this level and this level is going to be about 2 USD. So that means it would return back to increase with slight movement, and then it can make an form of ladders for this BCAN. If we went for 1 week, this will be only green candles movement and slight red candle appearance. So this can be also long green candle and one small red candle appeared. Hope you benefit from this video.